Your legs are your foundation. Every step, every climb, every simple movement depends on their strength. Yet as the years pass, they often become the first part of the body to show signs of slowing down. Maybe you've noticed it already. A little more effort needed to rise from a chair, a quick pause halfway up the stairs, or that feeling of heaviness after a short walk. It's easy to think this is just normal aging, but what's really happening runs deeper. It's the gradual loss of muscle, something most people never notice until it starts affecting their balance, energy, and independence. The good news, you can turn it around. No matter your age, even well into your 80s or 90s, your muscles still respond to care, nourishment, and the right habits. Strong legs are not a privilege of the young, they're a reward for consistency, and it begins with what you eat. Our muscles are living tissue, constantly being broken down and rebuilt. As we grow older, that rebuilding process slows, and if we don't provide the right nutrients, we lose muscle faster than we can replace it. The result is weakness, slower movement, and more difficulty doing everyday tasks. But science shows that certain foods can reignite your body's natural ability to repair and strengthen those muscles. These are foods that feed your cells, calm inflammation, and give your legs the endurance to keep moving with ease. Think of them as nature's strength builders. Simple, accessible ingredients that can make a visible difference in how you move, stand, and feel. Let's start with something humble but mighty, sweet potatoes. These colorful roots are more than just comfort food. They're packed with complex carbohydrates, the kind that fuel your muscles steadily instead of giving you quick highs and energy crashes. When your body burns this slow, steady fuel, your legs stay energized longer, helping you climb stairs, take longer walks, and stand without that tired, shaky feeling. Inside every sweet potato is a blend of nutrients that directly supports muscle health. Vitamin A helps your body recover after movement, potassium keeps your muscles contracting smoothly, and antioxidants protect them from wear and tear. Every time you enjoy a serving, you're feeding your muscles energy that lasts. The fiber in sweet potatoes also supports digestion, ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients it needs for strength. Roast them, mash them, or toss them into a salad. They're one of the easiest ways to nourish your muscles from the inside out. Another food that works quietly but powerfully is oats. Many people see oats as just a basic breakfast, but they're actually an incredible endurance food. Oats release energy slowly, which keeps your blood sugar steady and prevents that mid-morning crash that can make your legs feel heavy or tired. They're also rich in iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, and magnesium, a mineral essential for preventing cramps and stiffness. That means fewer sudden nighttime cramps and a more relaxed, steady feeling in your legs during the day. Oats also contain plant-based protein, small but meaningful amounts that help repair the microscopic muscle damage that naturally occurs with age. When you make oats part of your daily routine, you're fueling your body with everything it needs to stay active longer. They can be enjoyed warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into wholesome snacks that keep your energy steady all day. Then there's the creamy green powerhouse, avocados. They're more than a trendy food. For older adults, they're a quiet ally in the fight against stiffness and cramping. As we age, inflammation tends to rise in the body, contributing to sore joints, tightness, and that morning stiffness that makes movement slower. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that soothe inflammation and protect muscle fibers from breaking down. They also contain more potassium than bananas, a key nutrient that helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms. If you've ever been jolted awake by a painful calf cramp, low potassium may be to blame. By adding avocado regularly to your meals, you can help your muscles relax and move more fluidly. The vitamin E in avocados also plays an important role in repairing minor muscle damage, while their healthy fats improve circulation, delivering nutrients where they're needed most. Whether you slice them onto toast, blend them into a smoothie, or simply eat them with a little salt and lemon, avocados help your legs stay flexible, strong, and ready to move. Few foods protect your muscles the way berries do. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may look small, but they're packed with compounds that protect your body from the damage caused by aging. Every day, your muscles face oxidative stress, tiny molecular reactions that gradually weaken cells and slow recovery. The antioxidants in berries act like a shield, neutralizing that stress before it harms your tissues. They also reduce chronic inflammation, which is one of the main reasons older adults experience stiffness and joint pain. By easing inflammation, berries make your muscles more flexible and your movements more comfortable. They're also high in vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and elastic. Eating berries regularly can even help improve circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles more efficiently, reducing fatigue and improving recovery after activity. And as an added bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also support brain health, keeping your memory and focus sharp. Enjoy them with oats, in yogurt, or on their own. A handful a day is a simple step toward better strength and vitality. Each of these foods works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. They don't just feed your muscles, they help you move, recover, and feel more confident in your strength. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. It can be a time to rediscover how resilient your body really is when you give it the right tools. Every meal is an opportunity to build stronger legs and reclaim energy you may have thought was gone for good. And it doesn't take complicated diets or strict routines, just simple, real food that supports your muscles in the way nature intended. One of the most powerful foods for rebuilding and maintaining strength as you age is salmon. Every time you rise from a chair, walk across the room, or take the stairs, your legs are doing quiet but remarkable work. Over time, those muscles naturally lose some of their ability to regenerate, which can make movement feel slower or more tiring. Salmon helps restore that lost vitality because it provides high-quality protein, exactly what your body needs to repair and maintain lean muscle. But protein is only part of the story. The true magic lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and support joint flexibility. Inflammation is one of the silent culprits of weakness and soreness in older adults. It can make recovery from even light activity take longer, leaving your muscles feeling stiff or heavy. Omega-3s act like a soothing balm for your body, calming that internal inflammation and allowing your muscles to recover faster. Another benefit of salmon is improved blood flow. As we get older, circulation can slow, making it harder for muscles to receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Omega-3 fatty acids help keep your blood vessels flexible, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach every part of your body, including your legs. That means more energy, less fatigue, and faster recovery after walks or exercise. Salmon also contains B vitamins, particularly B12, which converts food into usable energy and supports nerve function. That's crucial for balance and coordination, helping you stay steady on your feet. You don't have to eat it daily to see results. 2 to 3 servings a week are enough to make a noticeable difference. Grilled, baked, or even canned salmon is one of the easiest ways to support muscle health naturally. If there's one food that stands above the rest for maintaining strong legs in later years, it's the egg. Simple, affordable, and incredibly nutrient-rich, eggs provide everything your body needs to rebuild strength. They're considered a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles require for repair and growth. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using protein, so eating foods that deliver it in the most bioavailable form is vital. That's where eggs shine. Each egg is like a small capsule of strength, filled with the nutrients that keep your muscles firm and functional. But there's more inside that golden yolk than just protein. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a critical role in both muscle and bone health. Many older adults are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who spend less time outdoors, and low levels can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even balance issues. By including 1 or 2 eggs in your daily diet, you can help restore your body's vitamin D levels naturally. The yolk also contains choline, a nutrient that supports the connection between your nerves and muscles. When these signals work efficiently, your movements become smoother, your balance improves, and you reduce your risk of falls. In addition, eggs provide antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, keeping them strong and healthy over time. The beauty of eggs lies in their versatility. They can be scrambled, boiled, poached, or mixed into vegetable dishes. The key is consistency, making them a regular part of your meals. When eaten regularly, eggs contribute not just to stronger legs, but to an overall feeling of energy and vitality. They complement other muscle-supporting foods beautifully, especially when paired with vegetables or whole grains that add extra fiber and micronutrients. By now, you can see that each of these foods, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs, brings something unique to your body's ability to stay strong. You don't need to eat all 6 every day. What matters is balance and variety. Throughout the week, mix and match them. Maybe oats and berries for breakfast, salmon and sweet potatoes for dinner, and avocado as a snack or side dish. The nutrients in these foods don't just work individually, they actually support each other. For example, pairing foods rich in healthy fats like salmon or avocado with antioxidant-rich foods like berries helps your body absorb vitamins more effectively. Nutritionists call this food synergy, the idea that when you combine the right foods, their benefits multiply. It's also important to remember that while nutrition builds the foundation, movement activates it. Your body needs small, consistent activity to make the most of these nutrients. Light exercises such as chair stretches, leg raises, or short walks can help your muscles use the protein and minerals you're giving them. Even 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement each day can speed up muscle recovery and improve circulation. When you combine nutrient-dense foods with regular movement, your legs become stronger, your balance steadier, and your confidence grows. You'll find that standing up, walking, and climbing stairs start to feel easier again. No matter your age, it's never too late to rebuild your strength. Your muscles respond to care at any stage of life. By choosing foods that support your body's natural repair processes, you can stay active, independent, and mobile for years to come. Every step you take is more than movement. It's a statement of strength, independence, and vitality. The foods you choose each day are the fuel that makes those steps possible. Think of your meals not as routines, but as opportunities to build the kind of body that supports your freedom. Sweet potatoes give you lasting energy and calm inflammation that can slow you down. Oats provide steady strength and endurance that carry you through the day. Avocados ease stiffness and protect your muscles from cramping. Berries defend your body from the wear and tear of aging, keeping your movements fluid and pain-free. Salmon rebuilds muscle fibers and boosts circulation, while eggs deliver the essential nutrients your body needs to stay strong and balanced. Together, they create a simple yet powerful foundation for lifelong mobility. These foods don't demand drastic changes. You can start small. Add a serving of sweet potatoes to dinner, mix berries into your breakfast, or enjoy an avocado a few times a week. Over time, these small steps add up to noticeable improvements. Your legs begin to feel lighter, your steps steadier, your energy stronger. The transformation happens quietly, but it's real. And when combined with light, regular activity, simple walks, gentle stretches, or chair exercises, the results multiply. Your body thrives on movement. Each stretch or step tells your muscles to grow, adapt, and keep supporting you. Nutrition fuels the process, but motion activates it. You might wonder when the best time is to eat these foods. Morning is a great place to start because it sets your body up for a day of steady energy. But truly, any time works. What matters most is consistency. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, your body benefits whenever you nourish it with care. Some of these foods even work better together. For instance, oats paired with berries create a powerful mix of slow-burning energy and antioxidants, while salmon and avocado together combine muscle-rebuilding protein with anti-inflammatory fats. These natural combinations enhance each other's benefits, supporting both strength and flexibility. And remember, it's never too late. Your muscles are resilient and capable of responding at any age. Even if you've felt your legs weaken over the years, they can regain strength with the right nourishment and attention. Within just a few weeks of adding these foods consistently, many people notice better balance, more stable steps, and improved energy. It's a sign that your body is listening, responding, and healing. Aging is not a signal to slow down, it's an invitation to care more deeply for yourself. This isn't about perfection or strict diets, it's about making mindful choices that help you live fully, move freely, and stay independent. The journey to stronger legs and better mobility doesn't start in a gym. It starts in your kitchen, one meal at a time. Every healthy bite you take is a small act of self-care that protects your freedom and quality of life. If you ever feel discouraged or think it's too late to make a difference, remember this: your body is always ready to rebuild. Feed it well, move a little every day, and trust in the process. Your legs carry you through life's most meaningful moments. They help you stand tall, walk with confidence, and embrace the world around you. Keeping them strong means keeping your independence, your balance, and your sense of possibility. So start today. Pick one small change. Add a food from this list to your next meal, and notice how your body responds over time. You'll find that with each week, your energy grows, your steps feel surer, and everyday tasks become easier. It's a quiet transformation that gives you back control of your movement and your life. Stay committed to your health, stay curious about what your body can do, and most of all, stay hopeful. Because strength isn't just about muscle, it's about the will to keep moving forward, no matter your age. Each day, each choice, each step is proof that it's never too late to build a stronger, more vibrant you.